Hello, and thank you for coming. My name is Crystal Marconett. I'm an assistant professor at the University of Southern California. I work in the Norris Comprehensive Cancer Center because my lab studies lung cancer. I have training in molecular biology and in bioinformatics. I am currently an American Cancer Society research scholar, and I also serve on the scientific advisory board for the Hastings Center for Pulmonary Research. My lab does a combination of molecular biology and bioinformatics to answer fundamental questions in the origins of lung cancer. One of the things that we're really interested in right now are long non-coding RNAs, which are regulatory RNAs that are involved in maintaining DNA fidelity. One of the great promises that lincRNAs hold is that some of them can be correlated to the amount of mutational burden inside of a tumor. That's what's shown in the middle panel. What's really interesting about that is that a tumor has to express multiple neoantigens for it to be recognized by the immune system. However, measuring the amount of mutational burden inside of a tumor currently is a very difficult thing to do. So one of the major areas that we are exploring is using surrogate biomarkers, long non-coding RNA surrogate biomarkers, to be able to address this in a more clinically viable setting. Another thing that we're studying is the effect that functional long non-coding RNAs can have on DNA damage repair. And as shown at right, we've identified a couple of candidates where the expression of a lincRNA can affect a patient's response to chemotherapies, such as cisplatin, which would be very useful in a clinical setting for determining which patients would be therapeutically amenable for specific types of chemotherapeutic regimens. So what my lab is really interested in right now is partnering with clinical and academic consortia that have access to not only large-scale expression data, but also mutational exome sequencing and detailed chemotherapeutic regimens that patients underwent, so that we can find out how lincRNA expression is able to influence mutational burden and response to chemotherapies in lung cancer. Thank you very much for listening, and I hope to speak with you soon.